saw my father in my dream. He was in chains and he was dumb. He couldn't speak. I asked questions and they said the person behind the death of my father has gone to change the spirit. We must find out who that person is before any coronation.
You will not delay my coronation with your stupid drama, woman.
This is not a stupid drama, Amanze. Maybe you should explain to the elders why you cut off my father's tongue during his burial.
He did that already. He invited us to a meeting. In the process, he explained to us why he had to cut off your father's tongue. And according to him, he said that was your late father's wish. If you ask me, I think we should just let it slide.
Well, his explanation will not make any difference to me. The coronation will not take place except we find out who killed my father and why my father was killed.
I disagree with you, my princess. Trying to find out what happened to the king should not stop us to crown him as king.
You just heard her saying she saw her father in the dream, in chain and dump. That's terrible and we cannot dismiss it like that. We must find out what happened to the king before we go ahead with coronation.
Because we want to find out what happened to the king, we should leave the throne vacant. Now let me ask you a question. Assuming it takes us 1 year to do that, you mean all through that period, the throne should remain vacant? Edakalu, I will advise if you don't have anything meaningful to say, just shut up and stop causing confusion here and there.
Don't you dare in your entire life tell me to shut up. Are you mad?
I am not mad. I said shut up.
Go to the grave of your drunk father and tell him to shut up. Are you mad?
I'm not mad. I still say shut up.
Tell me stupid then. You know what I'm talking to.
Enough.
I said tell me stupid.
Enough. Just keep quiet.
This is not what we are all here for. Please, let us behave ourselves. My elders, our people said if a child is crying and pointing towards a particular direction, it's either the mother is there or the mother will be there. Princess Mary has raised a very important topic, and it's going to be unfair for us to just wave it off like that.
What stupid important topic are you talking about? That's bullshit. She's just trying to cause confusion in the land. She didn't see anything in her dream. She didn't see anybody. Even if she did, we all dream. You dream, you wake up, you ignore the dream, and you focus on your life. Nonsense, absolute nonsense. She's just doing this whole thing to delay my coronation. And I want to say it categorically today. I will not let that happen. Never. No one is delaying your coronation, Amanzi. All she is saying is that we must find out what happened to the king before you ascend the throne of Anedo. And I stand with her on this.
I stand with her too.
Well, I have the majority on my side. That is all that matters, not the noise of the minority. We have a central deity in this land, and it might interest you all to know that the chief priest has decided to unravel what killed my father, the king. And as a matter of fact, he will be inviting other seers over here who will prove that.
I will burn down this kingdom if they try to frustrate my coronation. I've waited so long for this season to come. It's my time to enjoy. Nothing will stop me. Nobody, no mortal or spirit, will stop me from becoming king of this land. The throne is mine.
Boss.
Get me the chief priest. Take him to the mountain of sacrifice. Once he's there, call me. Move.
Your will, my hands. Consider it done, boss.
Mwaje tio bodo mawu. Mwaje yofi chaka. Fakwelu no leme. Ishekuli chaku doku nenye ni. Obu efi ugo na abo. Ichekuliche. I have come for you to reveal to us the cause of this problem bedeviling our community, our kingdom. Ichekuliche, the problem is not greater than you. You have the solution. Ichekuliche, as I journey to Lando to meet the seer of Arofonye and also the great seer of Oyonimo, let us join forces and reveal this problem, bedeviling an Edo. Ichekuliche, it is not greater than you. We must find it out. And we also will find the solution. Ichekuliche, rise! 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 Oke mwa ijejaga obridi kana Ichekuliche, Juba hude ike kwalo jumba Ichekuliche ibo onye mmeri. Ihe onye ama ya mara ya. Ihe onye ama onye ama ya. Agwọ tụrụ mbe ya marakwa na n'okuke ka ọ tụrụ. O nweghị ihe o ji eme mbe.
What's wrong with him?
I don't know, boss. He just ran in here and started shouting, fire, fire.
My whole body is burning. It's burning. Fire! 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 Thank you. Thank you.
It's alright. Go freshen up, get something to eat. I'll take it from here.
zaza Oponye timereze gabueze Onataluti Nadia zaza Ekwuru na anyukwu oke ọchịchọ weluke n'nwaya onye timereze gabueze Ife ime na o adịghị zaza Ife ime na o adịghị zaza weluke n'nwaya do adịghị zaza Oye musepu ake enwe n'ofe adịghị zaza Uwa bonye na-achị ya Ife ime na o na-eche ikikwa o maka agbasi ọsọ n'enu ụwa na-aga agụkwa maili o eme n'enu eme na ife zoro ezo ka apụta ife.
You sent for me, ma'am?
Yes, I did. I demand to know what happened to you a few minutes ago out there.
It was nothing serious. I'm fine. You have nothing to worry about.
Jerry or whatever thing my husband calls you, I don't care to know. That does not answer my question. I command you to speak. What happened?
Madam, with all due respect, I do not work for you. I work for your husband. If you're so interested in knowing what happened, why don't you ask him? He'll be in a better position to answer.
Are you stupid? Do you realize who you are talking to? Did you know I can influence my husband to sack you? Tell me, is that what you want? Huh? Now answer my question. Because if you don't, I will tell my husband to sack you.
If that will be all, ma'am, I need to get back to my duty.
Why are you desperate to become a king? Amanze, why are you so desperate to kill a man who has the spiritual mandate of the gods? Do I look like your brother, Ezebube? You killed at the forbidden tree. Ah, Ezebube, I want him. I want him to make peace with his chief. He refused. He kept postponing it. Manoma lala, Jonya diginizu. Away Haneme. Hey, that is why he met his Waterloo. Ha, Amanze. He whom the gods want to kill, the best make mad. Hey.
The curses of a drowning man are as watery and useless as the sperm of an impotent man. I've always wanted to use your blood to renew my powers, but I've changed my mind. You say you have the mandate of the gods. You know that mandate, me now. I'll tell you what I plan to do with you, old man. I will tie you up alone in the forest of Esu. There I will abandon you, so that wild animals will feast on your flesh. Let me see how the gods will save you. Jerry, make it quick.
We're looking a while. Nishikote bunoga baba. Amanze sepakanuba. Amanze sepakanuba. Amanze sepakanuba. The gods are wise. They have their way, they have their plans.
I bow before the royal family and the elders in council. The chief priest could not be found. I even went as far as searching his house. I could not find him.
Did you check his shrine?
Yes, I did. I could not find him.
This is strange. Why is there anyone who has something to say about the death of my father goes missing or gets attacked? Is it not obvious that the person behind the death of my father is also behind the missing chief priest?
What are you talking about? Are you the one behind everything? How can you say the chief priest is missing? Is he a child? Huh? You check him in his house, you don't see him. You check his shrine, you don't see him. Then you declare him missing. It's not done that way. He's not a child. He could have gone for outside work or probably traveled or went to see a friend. Give him some days. Wait for like 4 or 5 days, you don't see the man. Then you can declare him missing. Besides, are we just going to sit here and wait for him? We need to move the kingdom forward. Let us fix the date for my coronation. I become king. I move this kingdom forward. Things will start happening.
No way. The date for the coronation can only be fixed when we discover the reason behind all the things happening in our land. How can we be thinking of crowning a new king when the chief priest is missing? It's not possible.
My princess, I am beginning to suspect this is your plan to deny Amaze the throne. Oh yes. What kind of drama are you playing? We can find out what happened to the king even after his coronation. Right now, we need a king on that throne.
That will never happen. We must get to the root of this matter before anybody can be crowned king. My elders, give me 3 days. Just 3 days to expose the person behind all this. After then, you can go on with the coronation, but 3 days, please. I beg you.
We will give Princess the 3 days. We cannot pretend that all these happenings are just mere coincidence. No. Agozie is struggling with his life in the hospital right now. And now the chief priest is missing just within few days. We must get to the root of this. Princess, I'm solidly behind you. The princess will be given enough time to do what she wants to do, to expose the evil happening in our land. Then we can talk about coronation.
Alright, no problem. You have my support. You want 3 days? Fine. I can give you up to a week. Go ahead and do your thing. Get to the root of it. Just like you said. If you need any other thing, you need my support in any way, financial support or otherwise, let me know, okay?
I don't need your help. I can handle it my own way. Keep your help to yourself.
No problem. It's alright.
We're looking a while. Nishikote bunoga baba. Amanze sepakanuba. Amanze sepakanuba. Amanze.
Why can't I kill her? Where does she belong? I killed her father. Who is she that I cannot kill? Who?
You can't kill her where you killed her father. She is under the protection of the elders.
She has to die. Godfather, she has to die. Else she will expose me. She told the elders to give her 3 days. 3 days so she can find out what killed her father. And also unravel the mystery behind the disappearance of the chief priest. She is gathering seers. Once she does that, she will expose everything. I need her dead.
Then go physically. Spiritually, you can't do her any harm. Stop wasting your time before it backfires. Look for a way physically to kill her. That is the only way.
Amanze sepakanuba Amanze sepakanuba The ghosts are wise. They have their way, they have their plans. Kedifanaza.
Hey, Jesus! Jesus! I'm just a poor widow. Please don't kill me. Hey, if this is a kidnap, you have made a mistake. Oh, I don't have anybody to bail me out, please. Amazing. It's you. I'm not interested in the politics of the kingdom. Why am I held hostage?
Your life is now in the hands of your daughter, Aroka, who works in the palace.
My daughter Aroka.
If she cooperates with me, you will live. If she fails to cooperate with me, you die.
My daughter Aroka, what can she offer? She's just a poor maid working in the palace.
You'll find out what she can offer when I get in touch with her. Give me her number. If I ask you again, I'll shoot you in the head.
080 35 79 23.
Hello? Who is this?
I have your mother.
Who are you? What are you talking about?
Speak to her.
Aroka, Aroka, I'm finished. They have kidnapped me. Aroka, please, cooperate with them. Come on, come play with them. I don't want to die. Tell me. I don't get to please. I don't want to die. Mama, you okay?
Now you listen to me, and listen very carefully. If you breathe a word of this to anybody, your mother dies. I know you're a maid who works in the palace, and you're very close to the princess. So it will be easy for you to carry this out. I'm giving you 24 hours. Poison the princess, or your mother dies.
Please, please don't harm my mother. What you're asking me to do is too much for me. Please.
Choose between doing it and your mother's death.
Hello? Hello? Mama?
I look at my daughter. She cannot hurt a fly. How can you give her such a difficult task? I'm not interested. I'm not interested in the politics of the kingdom. I am not interested in the royal family. Even in the throne, please.
Jerry. If our daughter fails to cooperate, shoot her in the head.
Please, Jesus. Please don't kill me. Have mercy on me.
What?
Have mercy on me. Thank you in the name of God because of me. Hey!
Aruka, are you okay?
Yes, my princess.
Are you sure?
Yes, my princess.
Get me juice.
Yes, my princess.
Amaka!
Yes, my princess.
Have you arranged my stuffs in my car?
Yes, I have.
Okay.
Is there any other thing I can do for you?
No. Are you okay? Are you alright? What is it? Are you okay? Eh? What's the problem? Your tummy, what's wrong with your tummy? Your stomach? Mom! Mom! Sorry! You need to take me to the hospital. What is it? What is wrong with you? Say my tummy. Amaka! What happened to you? Amaka! What did you eat? You ate what? You ate what? You ate what? What happened to her? What did she eat?
Your Highness, I don't know.
What happened to her?
I don't know.
Call the guards! Call the guards! Jesus! Amaka! Oh my goodness. What happened to her?
Why can somebody just die just like that?
Hey! I talk one more. Hey. Amaka!
Hello? Hello?
Why exactly haven't I heard news of the princess's death yet? What is the delay, girl? I can see you have a death wish for your mother.
No, please, sir. Please, sir, please. I poisoned the princess' drink. Palace maid went and drank it. As I'm talking to you, she's dead.
Listen, my boss does not have this time. I do not have this time, girl. Find a way to eliminate the princess today, or you might as well kiss your mother goodbye.
No, please, sir. Hello? Oh my God, what am I going to do? I'm finished.
You better start talking. Who amongst you poisoned Amaka? You all better start talking now, because if the police officers get here, you all will be jailed. Who poisoned Amaka?
Ma, I have no reason to poison Amaka. She is everywhere she goes. She might be poisoned outside this palace.
Shut up. She wasn't poisoned outside this palace. She was poisoned here. And the person that did it is here looking at me. Who poisoned Amaka? Oh, thank God the police officers are here. Officers, I want my maids interrogated and arrested. They killed one of their colleagues. They know what happened to her.
You have heard. All of you are going with us to the station. Officer, move them.
Officer, please. You will have to exempt this one. She's my personal maid. She cooks for me. She doesn't cook for the other people.
Madam, I respect your opinion. But as it stands, all of them are suspects. So we have to go with them.
Better.
Okay. Move! Take them to the van. Move them!
Don't play with me.
Put them in the
van.
Move!
I'm sorry. Don't play with me. Move! I said move!
If you did not kill her, then who did? She was very close to you. I'm sure one of you must have killed her because of man.
Officer, I saw my late parents' grave. I did not kill Amaka. Why should I kill my own best friend? Officer, I've never had this like my life before. My parents trained me well. All I get from poisoning Amaka. I believe her death is not from the palace. She eats food a lot. Please, I'm sorry. You don't need to know.
I can see you want it the hard way. The hard way you shall get.
No sense.
I regret using force on them. They were tortured for nothing. They are innocent. They did not commit the crime.
Then who did? They are her close friends. So I don't really understand.
The disease has a history of gluttony. Everyone that knows her says she eats anyhow. Such person can be easily poisoned outside the palace. I will be releasing them this evening. They did not commit the crime.
It's okay. Since you have conducted your investigation thoroughly and found out they are innocent, you can release them. I don't have problem with that. Thanks for your efforts, okay? You will hear from me.
It's alright, my queen. I beg to take my leave.
Onataluchi, Nadia says, Ekorona nyuku, Okoticho. We're looking on wire, on your timeleze, Gabueze. If he mena, Nadia says,
My princess, are you okay? I heard you screaming.
I had a nightmare. Someone almost strangled me to death in my dream.
May the gods forbid. Nothing will happen to you, my princess. You are a good woman. May the gods forbid. My princess, do you need anything? Should I get water?
No. I'm fine, you can go.
Yes, my princess.
My friend, I'm serious of what I'm telling you. That guy loves you.
Love.
Eh?
Look at you.
I can see that love. You need to marry you.
Who is talking about love?
I'll come and do a show for you.
No, try and fall in love. I know what
Stop giving me. Stop giving me.
My princess, we have come to know what you found out. You asked us to give you 3 days for you to find out what happened to your father before we can proceed to coronate Amanze as our new king. What actually have you achieved?
Oh no, I made consultations and all fingers kept pointing at one person. They said this person nailed my father's picture to the tree and buried the picture inside the bush. They didn't mention names, but they gave description of a man we all know. Oh no, I asked you all to give me 3 days to expose the killer. Today is the 3rd day. Trust me, by tomorrow, I will wrap it up and the killer will be brought to book.
Bring him to book, you are wasting time. Expose the killer. Let's know who he is. We need to find out who that person is and embarrass him. Expose him. Let him face the law. It will also serve as a deterrent to others. What are you waiting for? Expose the person.
Boss, the consignment is ready.
Please don't kill me, please. I tried to kill her, but it didn't work. Please, don't kill my mother. Consider my efforts. Please, I was cooperating with you people, just that it did not work.
Shh. We have one last assignment for you. Since we haven't been able to kill the princess, we're going to set her up so that the government can kill her for us. And then your mother can walk free. It's a win-win for everybody.
Set up? How?
A girl named Oma was kidnapped earlier today. And we have her head here.
Jesus!
Take it. Take it! Take it. You better do your part if you want to see your mother again. I don't know how you're going to do it. I don't care. But find a way to deliver this consignment into the princess's car once you get back to the palace. Make sure no one sees you and call me when it's done.
What about my mother? Can I at least speak with her, please?
You may never get to speak with her again if you don't deliver your part perfectly.
The gods are wise. They have their way, they have their plans.
What are you doing?
Nothing, I'm just cleaning the princess's car. She asked me to do it since you are nowhere to be found.
Okay, I am here now, don't worry, let me do it, okay?
Are you sure?
Yes, let me arrange the princess car, let me have the key.
Okay. I'm done cleaning that part, just here.
Okay.
Hello, officer. I have an anonymous tip, and I want you to take this information very seriously. It turns out the Princess of Anedo is involved in occultism and ritual killings. Who I am is not important. I am calling you with a hidden number deliberately, because I know that she will try to get me killed if she knows I'm the one who exposed her. Listen, as we speak, she is in possession of a human head and heading for some sacrifice right now. Well, I used to work for her, But let's just say I'm giving my life to Christ. Listen, I know what I'm talking about. This is very credible information. I mean, right now as we speak, she's about to leave the palace to go and get it done. So you better hurry. Thank you, officer. Boss.
I hope you hid your number before calling him.
Oh, of course, boss.
Good. Once you confirm the police have arrested that stupid girl, place the mother and the daughter under an oath, then release the mother.
Your will, my hands.
Good.
Me, I don't tire. Are you sure this woman will come? Me, I don't tire. I don't know why DPO send us for me. Welcome, madam.
Let me park.
Okay.
Officer, I hope all is well.
Yes, all is well. We are here based on the information received by our DPO, and he now decided to send us down. Well, we are here to check your car trunk. Allow us to do that.
You want to check my car trunk?
Yes.
Okay.
Officer. Sir. Go and search it.
Yes, sir.
Search everywhere.
Yes, sir. Jesus, sir.
What?
There is human head inside the back of bag, sir.
Human head?
Are you sure of this?
Yes, sir. Ha! You can come and see it.
No, now it can't be true.
Put eye on her.
Yes,
Put eye on her.
Yes, sir.
Jesus! Madam, you are under arrest for ritual killing and murder. For your own good, you have to remain silent for whatever you say or do to be used against you in the court of law.
Officer, I'm not into rituals. I don't know what you're talking about.
Enter. Shut up your mouth! Move her! Enter the car!
What's going on?
Push her, enter! I say enter! Enter!
We swear by the powers that makes this sport deadly that we will not reveal what happened here, both the killing of Oma and the setting up of the princess. If we do, may we die.
Good. The staff is more dangerous than the crocodile. Go against your vow, and death will come knocking on your door.
Young lady, why do you want me to go violent on you? This girl was reportedly kidnapped earlier today. and her head was found in your car. What more evidence do I need to know that you're a ritualist?
Officer, I am being set up here. I am not a ritualist. I vow to protect the lives and properties of my people and not the other way around.
How many are you in this ritual killing? And how long have you been in this business? Was your father part of it?
Officer, you will not speak ill of my late father. He died an honest man and deserves some respect.
Do you think I'm here to play with you? My friend, will you start talking? It might interest you to know that the young man that used to work for you gave us this information. So start talking now. How many heads have you used for ritual?
Officer, let the full wrath of the law take its course. What nonsense! A princess of this land, caught with human head. God forbid. Oh, no wonder. No wonder she was doing everything possible to stop my coronation with her stupid antics. No wonder. It's clear. Because she was planning to do a ritual that will make the kingship of this kingdom remain in her family. So she can become the first female king. And female king in our land, it has never happened. It will never happen. Impossible. Demon, that's what she is. Princess that kills people. Evil girl.
My daughter cannot do that. She can't do that. I trust my daughter very well. Officer, you have to investigate this matter thoroughly before taking any action.
Investigate what again when there's this kind of evidence at his disposal? Investigate what? Did you hear the man? Eh? Your daughter was caught with human head. Human head. They saw it inside her car. Inside what do you call it? A pot, right? With red cloth tied around it. What else do you want him to investigate? Is that not ritual?
How are you sure?
That is exactly what happened. The young girl she killed went missing yesterday, and her head found in a native pot inside the princess's car. She will face the consequences of her action. We can never sweep that case under the carpet.
Don't even think about it. Don't think of sweeping it under the carpet. If you sweep it under the carpet, I will sweep it out and you will face the law. I don't think nonsense. This is wrong now. Cut off human head and what are you saying? She must face the law. I mean, think about that poor girl. Think about that poor girl, that little girl. Now she has no sister. She has no sister. Impossible. She must face the law.
Amanze, what have we done to you? What have we done to you? Why are you making everything worse for this girl?
Am I the one who sent her to cut human head? No, tell me. Did I send her to cut off somebody's head? Come on now, what did I do? Okay, calm down. You are a mother. Can you think about what that poor girl is going through? That innocent girl. Now she has no sister. Her only sister beheaded. Hi. God, this is painful.
She will be charged to court next week, and justice must be served.
Next week is too far. Charge her to court immediately. That girl is a hardened criminal. Hardened criminal. You should know that by now. A girl who can cut off somebody's head for ritual is a hardened criminal. You might be wasting time, she will escape from prison. And the moment she escapes from prison, that is danger for everybody, including you, even your family. As she's walking on the road, she will just be cutting people's heads. Yeah? Is it until she kills everybody in this kingdom? She is a hardened criminal. Charge her to court immediately, today or tomorrow. Tell the judge to hurry up, speed up everything. Judge her. If they will not execute her, give her life imprisonment. Hey.
Don't worry, we will hasten the case. I'll take my leave now.
Ada, it's okay, alright? Come here. It's okay, alright?
No,
everything will be fine. Stop crying, it's okay, please. Just stop. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry for everything that has happened to you, right? Sorry.
It's okay. I don't know why Mary would do something like this. This is so unbelievable.
How is it unbelievable? Huh? How is it unbelievable? Mary is a demon. That's what she is. She's evil. You need a soothsayer to tell you that she is evil. Can you cut off somebody's head? Imagine. Can you imagine? Cut off a young girl's head, for God's sake. And I know why. Because she wants to use that head for ritual. She wants to do rituals that will confuse the elders and possibly make her the first female king. Of course, I will not allow it. Stop crying, okay? Stop crying.
It's okay.
Sorry,
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, please. Just stop. Stop.
Yes, it's a check of 5 million naira. Please use it to further your education, buy things for yourself. Just take care of yourself, okay?
Oh my God. Thank you so much, sir. My God, we bless you, sir.
Yeah, it's okay. It's fine.
If you ever need anything else, just let me know. I'll see how I can support you. Okay? It's alright. I know the money will not bring back your dead sister, but just something to console you. Right?
I want you to see this place as your second home, okay? Just like my husband have said, if you need anything at all, you can count on us. Just let me know about it. Alright? I'm so sorry.
Thank you so much, ma. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
I heard you're an orphan.
Yes, sir.
Can you imagine? Just look at this is wickedness of the highest order.
The height of it.
An orphan. You just go and kill her sister. Come on. See, I will get to the root of this.
Yes,
okay?
baby.
I promise you, I will get to the root of this. In fact, even if it costs me all the money I have, I will make her pay. Believe me.
Thank you, sir.
I will make her pay.
Thank you, ma.
Baby, thank you so much. You're such a kind person. Thank you. It's okay. Oh, tell me the truth. May, I am your mother. Tell me the truth. Did you do it? Did you? Eh?
Mother, you're the last person I would lie to. I didn't kill that young girl. I'm innocent. This is just pure frame up, and I believe strongly it's from Amanze.
I am finished. If they take you to court, it's going to be a very big problem. How do we handle this, my daughter? How do we handle this? Hmm?
But I believe in God. I believe in the God of justice. I will not be executed for a crime I know nothing about. My God will not let it happen to me. I'll be vindicated. I will be vindicated.
He will. He will vindicate you.
Amen.
Nothing will happen to you, my
Amen.
daughter.
Amen.
I don't know what we have done to Amanze. It's well with you.
Amen. Amen.
Oh no.
Oh no.
My king in the making.
Oh no.
My king in the making.
Oh no. You're all welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Please sit down. Sit down. Yes. I see you're already enjoying drinks, huh? I like that. Oh no, you look like you are planning to take a second wife.
I'm not like this man.
Please enjoy yourself. Also, my wife is in the kitchen. Yes, she's making fresh pepper soup. You like it?
There is always merriment in this house.
You can say it
whenever I visit.
All the time.
I told you.
All the time.
That is how it is. You know, I'll tell you this. Abatabo Garanya. Yes. Besides, so come on. I mean, you are in the home of the king in waiting. People will enjoy. So enjoy yourself.
Okay. We'll drink. And
All
we'll
right.
come again.
Of course. Feel free. Anytime you want to come to my house, my gate is always open.
Right.
All right. I'll go straight to the point while we wait for the food. You know, I called for this meeting so that we can put heads together and fix a date for my coronation. Yes, nothing is stopping us anymore. You know, I don't think there's anything keeping us right now.
Yes, you are right. You have done well, Amanze. Very, very well. But I don't think there's anything delaying your coronation. I don't think so. Princess Mary asked for 3 days to find out what happened to the king before we can proceed for your coronation. And we gave her the 3 days, isn't it?
Exactly.
We gave her. Only for us now to hear that she was arrested for ritual killings. This is ridiculous.
You know, it shall never be well with that girl. Believe me, it will not be well with her for bringing such humiliation to our kingdom. You don't even know what people are saying outside. I'm telling you. They now see us, our people, as ritualists.
Let me tell you. That girl is too small to tarnish the image of this kingdom. It is her image and that of her late father she will tarnish. Amanze, let us not waste time. Let us focus on why we are here. Let me ask you a question. Have you picked a date yet for your coronation, or should we, the elders, do it for you? Okay?
Alright, so I'll answer that. As we all know, our dear kingdom has stayed about 4 market weeks now without a king. And that is not good. It is slowing down the progress of our kingdom. Yes, I need to do my coronation as quickly as possible so I can become king and start attending to matters of the kingdom. So I have decided to do my coronation in 2 days' time.
2 days' time?
Yes.
Huh? Is that not so close?
I understand your concern, Carlo, but it is not too close. Yes, we've stayed weeks without a king. We need to have a king as quickly as possible. I begin to attend to matters of the kingdom. Also, I intend to not make it an elaborate celebration. We'll just do it something small and then move things forward. Possibly on my first Ofala. That is when you see what it means to make somebody like me king. It will be an elaborate celebration. Yes.
Yes, it's a good idea. Eh?
Exactly.
It's a good idea. It's okay. It's
Good,
okay with us.
good. I like that. I like that. So please, drink and make merry.
Yeah.
Yes. A new beginning is here.
A new beginning is here.
You are there already.
Exactly.
What am I living for? No. No. I have to end it all. What a nonsense life. I've lost everything. I've lost my husband and I'm about losing my only child. Gods of our land, please forgive my sins and accept my soul. I'd rather die than to live and see my only child being convicted. Gods of our land, please forgive me and accept my soul. Forgive me, Gods of our land.
My queen, please. Please, you can't do this, my queen, please.
Please, allow me to do it. I've lost everything. This will be my joy, please.
No, my queen. No, you've not lost anything. I can save your daughter.
You cannot.
I have a confession to make, my queen. Even though it's going to take my life, I'd rather tell my truth.
Confession.
Young lady, are you sure of what you just said? Can you say this before Amanze?
Yes. He kidnapped my mother and forced me to kill the princess. I poisoned her drink. Amaka went and drank it.
Hey! So you killed Amaka? Aroka, you are the one that killed Amaka. Eh? Hey, Chimo!
Go away. Why did you do this to me? I trusted you. Why?
I am sorry, my princess. I didn't want my mother to die.
You should have told me. If you had told me, we would have found a way to rescue your mother.
Officer, as you can see, my daughter is innocent. She is very innocent. She was framed up. Really, sir, let me take her home. Please.
Young lady, I asked you for the last time. Are you willing and ready to say this before Amanze and in court?
The worst thing that can happen to me right now is death, and I am ready. I'd rather tell the truth and die than watch the princess get executed over a crime she didn't commit.
Hell.
You must pay for this. You will pay for this.
Where is the coronation box?
Hidden somewhere you can never see. Until you swear with the ancient sword of Anedo that you have nothing to do with the death of my father. That you have nothing to do with the sudden disappearance of the chief priest and the setup. Only then you can get the box.